Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Tp04 is probably one of the most versatile and innovative gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of features designed to enhance your daily life whether you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply someone looking for a more streamlined and efficient way to manage your tasks and entertainment. This device has quickly garnered attention for its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their digital experience. Number 5. TempPro TP16 Large LCD Digital Cooking Thermometer. Meet the TempPro TP16, your ultimate kitchen companion. This large LCD digital thermometer is designed for all your cooking needs, from ovens to BBQs. Effortlessly cook meats to perfection with its USDA preset temperature settings. You can also customize alerts for your preferred tastes, ensuring delicious results every time. Never miss a beat with its versatile timer mode. It offers both countdown and count-up functions, supporting up to 99 hours and 59 minutes for any culinary task. Experience exceptional accuracy with its durable probe and wire, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. It provides precise readings within a wide range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Its easy-to-use design features a food-grade stainless steel probe for quick temperature readings. The long mesh cable ensures it stays outside your oven, and a magnetic back allows for convenient storage. You may notice a new name, TempPro, but rest assured. We maintain the same commitment to quality and the same excellent products you've come to trust. What we like. This cooking thermometer offers USDA preset temperature settings for convenience. Its high accuracy and durable probe ensure perfect results every time. If you're a home cook who wants to take the guesswork out of grilling or roasting, this is the tool for you. What people say. This thermometer is very nice and easy to use. I made a barbecue chicken with it today and it came out perfectly moist with the help of this thermometer. I'd recommend it for grilling or roasting any big cuts of meat like chickens, turkeys, brisket, etc. It really helps with ensuring proper cooking. This meat probe thermometer works perfectly and gives quick, accurate temperature readings. It's easy to use and makes cooking meat much more reliable, whether grilling, smoking, or cooking in the oven. The probe feels sturdy, and the display is clear and easy to read. It's helped me avoid overcooking and ensures meat comes out just right every time. Works great. Accurate reading. Compact. The magnet on the back allows me to put it on the outside of the smoker or the outside of the oven and keep an eye on the temperature without opening the lid door and releasing the heat. The alarm is loud enough to get my attention and alert me when the correct temperature has been reached. Number 4. 2-pack Tp04 HP04 DP04 Replacement Hepa Filter. Ensure a perfect fit for your Dyson Tp04, HP04, DP04, TP05, and DP05 models. This replacement filter is designed to seamlessly integrate with your air purifier fan, providing optimal performance. Experience superior air purification with our dual-layer filtration system. It effectively captures 99.7% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air. Breathe easier with the activated carbon filter that tackles unpleasant odors and gases. It helps to neutralize smells, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Crafted from high-quality HEPA and environmental protection materials, these filters are built to last. You'll receive 2 sets of HEPA filters and 2 sets of activated carbon filters for long-term use. Installation is straightforward. Remember to place the buckle side on top for the carbon filter. After installation, simply reset the filter by holding the oscillation or night mode button for 5 seconds. For best results, we recommend replacing your filter every 12 months, or more frequently depending on your usage. This ensures continuous optimal performance of your air purifier. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you in resolving any problems you may have. What we like. This replacement filter features a dual-layer filtration system for superior air purification. It captures 99.7% of airborne particles and removes unpleasant odors. If you own a compatible Dyson air purifier and are looking for an effective way to ensure cleaner, fresher air in your home, this is a great option. What people say. The two-part filter keeps the dog odors under control, and we are getting almost 6 months out of each filter. Works good and fits well, but had to do kinda force it in for it position appropriately. For the first couple of weeks, I did experience the air quality being marked as severe. However, after cleaning the air sensors in the back of the fan, the 2 half-inch slots, the air quality dropped down to good again. So be sure to clean your sensors prior to installing, otherwise, you may get a bad air quality rating. This seems like a perfect replacement for the original Dyson air filter. Installation is a breeze, has one more extra step compared to the original. Works just as well and is a great value. Number 3. FutureWay Tp04 filter replacement for Dyson. Introducing the FutureWay Tp04 filter replacement, designed for seamless compatibility with your Dyson air purifier. Experience high-quality air purification without the premium price tag. Get the same excellent performance as original filters but at half the cost. It's a smart choice for maintaining clean air in your home. Perfect for households with pets or those sensitive to air quality. It effectively captures smoke and other airborne irritants, ensuring your indoor air is pure and fresh. Replacing your old filter is a breeze. Simply remove the existing one and insert the new filter, no tools or complicated steps required. This filter is precisely engineered to fit Dyson HP04, TP04, DP04, TP05, and DP05 models. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance every time. For best results, we recommend replacing your filter every 12 months. Keep your air purifier running efficiently for a healthier living environment. What we like. This replacement filter offers a cost-effective solution for maintaining your air purifier's performance. It provides high-efficiency filtration and is designed for effortless setup. If you're seeking a budget-friendly yet effective way to keep your compatible Dyson air purifier running optimally, this filter is a smart choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my HP04 Dyson and at a much better price than they are asking for. From what I can tell, it works just as good and the air quality sensors don't have an issue with them. Super functional, easy to replace, and definitely high quality for the price. I bought this item 5 months ago, and it fits perfectly in the purifier. We'll definitely buy it again once needed. Number 2. TP04 replacement filter for Dyson HP04 series. This replacement filter is designed to perfectly fit your Dyson HP04, TP04, DP04, TP05, and DP05 air purifiers and fans. Ensure your model is one of these before purchasing. Experience cleaner air with our advanced dual-layer filtration system. It captures 99.97% of tiny particles and helps improve overall air quality for a comfortable home. The H13 True Hepa filter traps microscopic particles, while the activated carbon filter works to remove odors and impurities, leaving your air fresh. Installing the filter is simple. Remember to reset the machine after installation by holding the oscillation button for 5 seconds to ensure it's recognized. For best performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 8 to 12 months. This ensures your air purifier continues to operate at its peak efficiency. We're here to help. If you encounter any quality issues or have questions, our customer service team is available 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. This air purifier filter boasts H13 True Hepa filtration with a dual-layer design for excellent air quality. It is compatible with several Dyson models, ensuring a good fit. If you need a reliable filter to capture fine particles and improve your indoor air, this product is a strong contender. What people say. It worked great and is pretty much the exact fit as the Dyson brand fan filters. The filter quality is A+ and my Dyson fan is filtering particles out just fine. It arrived just before the wildfires in Southern California started around my area. The air quality was awful, and my Dyson air purifier was working overtime. I was overdue to change out the filter, and this version was easy to install. It looks like the original and comes with a small cleaning brush. I was glad to have a clean filter installed to keep my home air quality safe. Number 1. LEVOIT Core 300P Air Purifier. Choose a product trusted for reliable and effective indoor air quality improvement. Our air purifiers are independently tested for performance and energy efficiency by AHAM. Experience fast and effective cleaning with our powerful motor and high CADR. It's ideal for your home, bedroom, or office. Enjoy cleaner air in any room. It refreshes a 222 sq ft room 4.8 times per hour and a 1073 square foot room once per hour. For the best performance and longest lifespan, always use official replacement filters. They ensure a perfect fit and high-efficiency filtration. Meet your specific needs with our variety of filters. Choose the right one to tackle toxins, smoke, or pet dander and odors. Breathe easier with our strong filtration. It captures 99.97% of fine airborne particles, including allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander. Sleep soundly with our quiet air cleaner. Select sleep mode for near silent operation, allowing you to forget it's even there. What we like. This air purifier is HAM verified, ensuring high-performance air cleaning with a strong CADR rating. It offers multiple filter choices to suit different needs, from allergens to odors. If you're looking for a certified and powerful air purifier for your bedroom or home that can handle various air quality concerns, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The setup was extremely simple, just unbox it, install the filter, and plug it in. Within the first few days I noticed the air in my room felt noticeably fresher and cleaner. One of the things I like most is how quiet it is, especially in sleep mode. I run it overnight and it's quiet enough that it doesn't disturb my sleep at all. Despite being quiet, it still does a great job pulling dust and allergens out of the air. The size is perfect for a bedroom, compact but powerful. The design is clean and modern so it doesn't look out of place, and the controls are simple and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.